Hi, I'm Lisa, and today I want to show you a quick and easy recipe that you can do for breakfast. Tis the season for pumpkin everything, so this recipe is going to be pumpkin pie overnight oats. It takes roughly 5 minutes, and it's something that you can do. It's great to do with the kids on a Sunday. You can prepare it for the week, put it in the refrigerator, and it's a great grab and go option for you in the mornings if you're rushing out of the house and you don't have time for breakfast. So I have my everything pre-portioned. Wet ingredients are over here. I have my dry ingredients over here. The recipe starts with, I use Chobani Greek yogurt, so it's plain non-fat Greek yogurt. You do have the option to use vanilla if you want. It's just gonna have a little bit more sugar in it. So I use my little spatula, and I'm just gonna put it right inside the bowl. So I'm mixing all of my wet ingredients first. So I'm gonna get that in there. We have a half cup of the yogurt. It's roughly about 4 ounces. Then we're gonna do 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, or you can use regular or coconut milk, whatever you like or your kids like. All right. The next thing we're going to do is a half cup of pumpkin puree. I got my pumpkin puree here. I'm just going to scooch it in. Set this off to the side here. I have 4 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Okay, so make sure when you're looking for this, it does say pure maple syrup. All right, afterwards you will refrigerate this. And then last but not least, we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I have all of my wet ingredients in there. I'm gonna get this off of the spatula, give it a good mix. Make sure I get everything mixed nicely, and then I'll add in my dry ingredients. It already smells really good, and I guarantee you the kids will love it. My little one loves this. All right, so everything looks good. Now I'm going to add in the oats. So with the oats, you do have an option to make the oats organic. Not organic. I am using gluten-free oats here. So you can use regular oats or gluten-free if you do have celiac or gluten intolerance or sensitivity. So I'm pushing those in, great for fiber, for whole grains. Then I'm gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also add in a dash of nutmeg too, if you like nutmeg. And then last but not least, we have 4 teaspoons of chia seeds, which are a great source of omega-3s, with some protein, some fiber. So we're gonna mix it all together, make sure that we have a nice mixture here. And then I like to put these in, you can put them in a bigger mason jar. I found these smaller mason jars, roughly 6 ounces. So give it a good mix. You can add more oats too if it's too liquidy for you. But this is perfect for me. All right. Looks good, smells like pumpkin pie. All right, so I'm gonna open up my jar. And I like to fill it to just about the bottom of the top of the jar. So right here, roughly 6 ounces. Pour it in. And so this is a bigger recipe, so you can make about 4 of these jars. 4 of these jars. And you have 1 each day, Monday through Thursday. There's a bunch of other recipes that you can do. It's so quick and easy. This just shows you an example of 1. I have it all set to go. It's ready. I can put it right in my refrigerator. And I'm done. Good morning. The recipe has been chilling overnight, and it's perfect timing because today I'm running way behind. The little one was not cooperating at all this morning. So we're headed out the door. I'm gonna grab my recipe, my pumpkin pie oats. Let me just show you really quick what it looks like. So you're gonna mix it all around. It's 180 calories. It's about 4 grams of fiber, 3 grams of fat, and then you have close to 7 grams of protein in just this 180 calories. So grab this breakfast. You can add nuts on top of it if you want, a little extra yogurt on top, and we're good to go. And now we're gonna head out because we're rush, rush, rush always, right? Have fun, enjoy.